Hey, thanks for joining me. I really appreciate you stopping by to watch my video. I'm Carlton Duncan with Pull My Pork Barbecue. This video is part of the Last Chance Cook-Off that they're having that Hendricks Family Farms, the Kettle Kitchen, and 9 Acre Family Farms is putting on. It's a really good deal. There's over 100 channels involved. Some really great channels involved in this. There's 2 other channels. Well, we finally made it up here. We got camp set up. Went out, did a little bit of scouting. Saw a whole herd of elk, which is a good thing. But right now it's time to start getting stuff ready to eat. Have you been searching for the best steak sandwich there is? Well, I'm fixing to show you how to make it. We're going to be doing up a picanha. Going to make sandwiches out of it. You're going to love this. You're going to want to try it. So let's get after it. Okay, what I have here is about a 3.5 pound picanha. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to trim this up just a hair. Cut this right through there. Kind of hard cutting on this paper plate. I didn't bring a cutting board. I'm going to set this right there. Now then, what we're going to do, we're going to cut these about, cutting them with the grain, we're going to cut them about 1.5 inches wide. Note to self, remember to bring a cutting board. Now we're going to cut this one right about like this. Now then, we got them cut. Now what we're going to do, we just got some regular rock salt. And we're just going to put a little bit of rock salt on it. There we go, about like that. And we're going to turn it over and we're going to do a little bit on this side. Going to keep it real simple. And we'll get a little bit on this one. Kind of windy out here today. We're about 50 miles back up in the mountains here in Wyoming. All right, now then, we've got some rock salt on these. And what we're going to do, we're going to put these in the cooler for about an hour. And while that's going, we're going to be doing something else. So I'll be right back. All right, what I have here is 3 tomatoes I'm going to slice up. These are fresh tomatoes out of the garden. I've got a jalapeno fresh out of the garden. Just going to slice these up. These are really going to, what we're doing here was really going to set that steak sandwich off. You're going to love this. Get all of these sliced up, just like that. My nephew went down and went fishing. Hey, he's back. Did you catch anything? Stole your bait, huh? Rig you up a fishing pole, huh? I got these all sliced up. They're going right in this bowl. Now I've got 1 jalapeno that I got out of the garden. Now we're just gonna slice these up. Okay. Just putting all them seeds and all in here. Now we're gonna put about a teaspoon of cumin in here. Now we're just going to take these and we're going to mix them all up just like this. Get everything incorporated. All right, now I'm going to put a lid on this. This is going in the cooler. It's going in there till we get our steaks done, ready for our sandwiches. So that's going to be at least an hour. I'll see you then. Okay, our picanha's been sitting about an hour in the cooler. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take it and we're just going to fold it like this. And we're going to start it right through here. See if I can get this spit through here. There we go, got that one through. There we go. There's one through. Now we're going to get this one through. Just going to put them all on here. It's kind of tough to get it through there, but that's to be expected. Probably help if I cut that fat some. There we go. Now get this other one done. That one through. Run this one through. There we go. Now then, now what we're going to do, we're going to run this on there. We're going to tighten it down. I'll run this one on this side. And we'll tighten it down. We're doing this on a Grizzly Spit Rotisserie, and it can be used for camping or anything else. I'll have a link down below for it. So let's go out there and get these on. Okay, sorry about that, the battery ran down on the camera, but you can see here, this thing turned out amazing. You just slice it off in thin sheets. You take some of your tomatoes with your jalapenos and your cumin. Now, I normally put some cilantro in it. Man, these always seem like whenever you go camping and you start cooking, the flies find you. But anyway, I made me a sandwich out of it with tomatoes, and this is outstanding. That is outstanding. Well, I want to send everybody a thanks that watch my videos. If you're interested in the Grizzly Spit, I'll have a link down in the description to my Amazon influencers page. You can check it out there if you want to. I appreciate it. And I want to send a thanks out to all my subscribers and everybody that watches my videos.